I've got to relearn what discipline means all about from the basics again from Praveen when it comes to training.
It was an amazing experience with Bodyprocoach. My questions were answered on timely manners by the team on WhatsApp or on WhatsApp call. I have achieved lean muscles and less fat percentage. Thank you.
Warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and I'm today doing a super easy breakfast meal that's a keto oatmeal. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. So a super easy and quick recipe here. We have some pistachio, 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds, 2 tablespoons of golden flax seeds, 2 tablespoons of almond, 2 tablespoons of coconut flakes, 2 tablespoons of walnut, 1 tablespoon of chia seed. I have already soaked it in water for last 20 minutes. 2 to 3 pieces of strawberries chopped, unsweetened almond butter and coconut milk. So here I have taken in a bowl my coconut flakes, almond flakes and some hemp seeds. Using this I'm going to even flake my walnut. So you can see my walnut is done. I'm going to share the link of this super cool equipment. Next I'm going to use is my pistachio. So I'm going to take few pistachio, put it in this and flake them also. And that's done. So now I have put all the ingredients in my bowl, that is almond flakes, coconut flakes, flax seed, walnut, hemp seeds, pistachio, and I'm going to mix this well. After mixing this well, so that's my super oatmeal. To this I'm going to add my chia seed. So here goes my chia seed, 1 and 2 tablespoons. There you go. Next I'm going to add is some coconut milk. It's about half of it, and mix all of this well. Once it's mixed well, you can add the remaining coconut milk also. There you go. Lastly, you can add half a teaspoon of stevia if you wish to. I'm going to add some stevia and almond butter to it. So there goes my half a teaspoon of stevia powder. There you go. And next goes my unsweetened almond butter. I'm gonna mix these well. And my super oatmeal is ready. You can keep it in the refrigerator for the next 10 to 15 minutes and then serve this cold. I'm going to dress it up with some strawberries, and some almond flakes by the side. So our super healthy, yummy breakfast option, that is the Keto Oatmeal, is ready. It's highly delicious, super tasty, great for weight loss, provides great satiety, loaded with nutrients. Do try and comment below. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Request you to please subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so that you get intimation of all our videos. Thank you and lots of love.